People were dead because of me. Because I had spoken wishes out loud near someone who treated my words as instruction. They'd still be breathing if I'd kept my mouth shut. What does it mean to live with someone who kills for you? To wake up each morning next to hands that have ended life. So, guys, imagine you are in love with someone who harm or other people because they are in so much in love with you that they don't want any other person to choose you. They don't want any other person to come near to you. Just imagine this. So we have always talked about heroes who have saved lives, but we have never spoken about villains who have destroyed other people to save someone's life. So today's story is about two orphaned children, Raghav and Maya, who were took by some organization to get trained for doing illegal works, and they fell in love in there. Nobody knew what place they were in, what kind of place it was. It was an island, it was some other country, nobody knew about that. So one night there was this police raid and Maya got the chance to skip away from that place, but Raghav was there and nobody knew towards the end that whether he died or whether he survived. But after 20 years, Maya was found doing some kind of illegal journalism act, and she was caught and she was accused of murdering his stepfather. So she is saved by a private investigator, and we come to know his name, that is Raghav. So he claims that for 20 years he has been searching for Maya because he is in so much love. He has destroyed people, he has done some kind of illegal works, he has been a beggar and whatnot to find Maya. So gradually they fell in love with each other again after 20 years, and then they started living together, and then apparently they got married. So now the twist is there is another girl named Ria, and she is actually reading two books simultaneously. One is from the perspective of Raghav and one is from perspective of Maya. Ria is suffering from a disease and she doesn't have that much time left, and even her boyfriend left after he got to know that she wouldn't survive for that long. So sad. So she went to this bookstore and the guy working there suggested her these two books. And then Raghav from the story is also suffering from a heart disease and he also don't have that much time left. But the biggest twist of this book is, till the very end, you will think that you are actually getting to know about some characters. Identification is actually changed. The name of the characters are changed, and that is commendable. You have to read the book for that. So the question is, would you call a person who has destroyed other people to save the ones whom that person is in love with a hero or a villain? And the name of the book is When the Villains Collide by Shrikar Aladi. This is a very fast-paced novel, very intense, and you will never know what the twist is about to come.